in order to stream audio from this system, what you need to do is go to your iTunes there. I'm going to turn this down, but you see there Uconnect at the bottom. If you click on that, there's a tick next to Uconnect. If there's not, just touch it. We'll go back to there. So with that showing, if you're on the right setting on the radio, whatever's on your phone will play through the audio system here. Now we go to media, onto media, and it's come up with my phone already. It's showing the same thing playing on there as it is on here. So I'll turn this up. It won't play anything because this is turned down, but I'll just also show you. If you go to source, if it's not immediately on Bluetooth, perhaps you've got USB stick in, but if it's not on Bluetooth, you click source, select Bluetooth like so. Now then, so we're turned up here, and then if I can't do it for very long, otherwise I'll get a copyright infringement, but that's it, Mott the Hoople. That's how you do it. It's a great system. Thanks for watching.